A very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Pauruchusti Ukaji, core team member of the Maritime Union of India Women's Wing, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you all today to the seminar hosted by the Maritime Union of India on Women in Maritime. Today's event marks a significant step towards fostering an inclusive and supportive environment in the maritime industry, one that empowers and uplifts women, whether they are at sea, on shore, or supporting from home. The theme of our seminar is based on the IMO's International Day for Women in Maritime, which is Safe Horizons, Women Shaping the Future of Maritime Safety. This theme highlights our commitment to ensuring not only the success, but also the safety of women in the maritime sector. Today, we will have several thought-provoking sessions and panel discussions where women of repute, including women seafarers, women in shore-based maritime roles, and role models will share the stories of leadership and inspiration. They will discuss the challenges they faced and how they overcame them. We will learn, share, and communicate. We encourage everyone to interact and make the most of this opportunity. To ensure a smooth experience, please adhere to the following ground rules for the seminar during the day. Kindly keep your mobile phones off or in silent mode. If you wish to ask a question, please do so at the end of each session during the dedicated Q&A time. Please keep your questions concise. We have scheduled tea breaks in between sessions. Kindly return to the seats in time for the next session to begin. Yes, you can carry your tea, coffee inside the venue. On your tables, you will find a scan code to learn about each speaker's profile. Another scan code is available for your feedback. Please fill it out before you leave. We urge everyone to take photos in our photo op booth located at the outside and share them on social media. Please tag the Maritime Union of India and our social media agency, the Naval Connection, while you're posting. Kindly follow the Maritime Union of India on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for updates and happenings. A bit of safety briefing before we begin the day. The venue is a no smoking zone. Please exit the club doors for smoking if you have to. Washrooms are located at the far end of the corridor. In case of fire, please do not run or panic. Please exit from the main gate and assemble outside. Also, please be careful of the riser in the center. Before we move forward with our seminar, we have a special presentation that highlights the rich history and significant achievements of the Maritime Union of India since its inception in 1939. This video will take you through our journey, showcasing our commitment to the welfare of seafarers and their families over the decades. Please do follow MUI on social media for all updates. Scan codes have been kept on each table. Please scan to follow. Also, please pass on to all your colleagues at sea for them to become MUI members so that MUI can support and help them during their need. For those who have just joined us, welcome. Due to some urgent commitment, our chief guest, Mr. Shyam Jagannathan, IAS Director General of Shipping, cannot attend today. However, we are proud to have the company of Captain Manish Kumar, Deputy Director General of Shipping. Without further ado, let us welcome Captain Manish Kumar, Deputy Director General of Shipping. Our guests of honor, Mrs. H.K. Joshi, former CMD SCI, and Mr. Deepak Shetty, Senior Advisor, Maritime Anti-Corruption Network, India. I also extend a warm welcome to Captain Tushar Pradhan, General Secretary, the Maritime Union of India, and Ms. Saleha Sheikh, the founder and head coordinator of the MUI Women's Wing. Ms. Sheikh has been a driving force behind the MUI Women's Wing since its inception in 2017, and since then has tirelessly worked to support and empower women in maritime. May I request our esteemed dignitaries to come up on the stage to light the lamp. May I also request Ms. Miko Brown, ITF, Captain Manish Kumar, Captain Rajesh Tandon, CEO FOSMA, Mr. S.M. Rai, former Chairman, IMEI and Industry Mentor, Captain Shiv Halbe, CEO of MARSA, to please come up on the stage to light the lamp.
या कुन्देतु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदा जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम् या कुन्देतु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु जाड्या पहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसार परमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीम्
Thank you.